This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Paul Davis Restoration and Home Remodeling.
CoastLife, I want you to think back for a little bit. Remember summer? Yeah, good times. Well, it was the summer of, this last year, I guess, that we were out in this area with Paul Davis Restoration. I've got Brian Rush with me now. And Brian, this in the summer of last year, we were in a completely different kitchen space. Is that right?
That is absolutely correct.
Right. So, because you guys had a very special contest going on. So tell me a little bit about that contest and the kitchen that you upgraded a lucky couple with.
Yeah, so it was our first time. It was our first giveaway for a kitchen. And we had a sweepstakes. And if yours were the lucky winners of that sweepstakes, we came out and blessed them last year with a free kitchen. So the kitchen was, I want to say, outdated for what they wanted, and they wanted to lighten it up and make it. I want to say more. I guess what's going on in fad-wise.
A little more modern.
A little bit more modern. Yeah. So when I went from a natural wood color, a little bit darker, to a beachy white shaker style cabinet.
Yeah. I mean, it really does brighten up the space. It feels so open, even though the space itself might not be overwhelmingly large. It feels like, oh wow, there's a lot of room for activities in this kitchen.
Yes, absolutely. So wall was taken down, the countertop was opened up. They have a little place to eat now at the countertop that they didn't have prior. So Mike had told me there's a lot of things going on that he wished that he could have, and we provided it for him.
Made that wish list come true. I mean, you guys you're pretty much wizards when it comes to the upgrades and remodels.
Yeah, we're getting pretty daggone good at it.
I would say so.
A lot of rinse and repeat that goes on, but we have a lot of tricks up our sleeve that we would like to show the clients that we're capable of doing.
It was fantastic. It was like, oh, we can finally get it done, because it was a long time coming, and we really have enjoyed it. Just a lot of counter space, a lot of storage. Just can't say a whole lot about it. Just really like it.
Glad to get rid of the old one.
The dark brown cabinets have just made it dark. And now this is, I think the cabinets and the counter, just makes everything pop.
Right, good word for it would be fresh.
Yes, we have two lazy Susans now, which is nice. They have a lot more storage. I like the easy close cabinets, they're nice.
Oh, it's a long time coming. I mean, I've been wanting one a long time. In fact, I'd had plans growing up, was going to build them myself. I went to school for cabinet making myself, but it's a lot of work, and I really don't have the room in my garage to be doing that now.
I hear tell that there could be another contest like this going on. I know we don't know the dates yet, but
yeah, you'll see us in the home shows popping out, and there's going to be another lucky winner here this summer coming.
Paige, you could tell just how thankful they were to have their upgraded kitchen.
Yes, it looks so beautiful. Light, open, just they really deserve that too.
Yes, they do. I think the like secret spice rack was one of my favorite things. There's this really skinny pull-out spice rack, and I was
I've always wanted one of those.
Right?
Oh, so jealous.
So if your kitchen needs a little TLC, don't forget Paul Davis Restoration. They do more than restore just damage. They do complete remodels, upgrades like that. So if you think that your kitchen could use a little love, you saw theirs, you loved what you saw, make sure you give them a call.
They are the best. We love them.
Coming up on CoastLife, though, we are talking Veg Winterfest Rehoboth. So for all you vegetarians out there, or if you've been considering a plant-based diet, there's an event coming up this weekend that's perfect for you.